Hi, I'm John Fuentes. I'm a program manager and quality support coach with Bay Area Community Resources, providing support in Oakland, primarily with high schools and middle schools through Bay Area Community Resources. What I appreciated about Rainbow Chefs is, the ability to cook meals that maybe some of our students have never made before, really tapping into different cultures, different experiences, and primarily nutrition. And how do you cook a healthy meal on a budget? One of the things I appreciate about Rainbow Chefs, and something that they did, was they shifted their model to an online platform where now our staff members that we hire, who are expanded learning providers, have curriculum they can use through the Rainbow Chefs Academy platform, where they actually get trained from Rainbow Chefs on how to lead the curriculum. And the curriculum is now Common Core aligned. It taps into standards, health and nutrition and wellness. There are assessments at the end. So our team members who are leading these classes have an opportunity to cook, to prep, to go over safety of the materials that the students are using, right? Eat and taste, right? All of that. And then do intentional reflections with students at the end to kind of assess the learning, right? And move on from there. And what we found through these platforms is that students are actually logging in during the weekends, because you can monitor like the trajectory of the students and the progress. And then we can see that they're cooking meals on the weekends for themselves and for their families. And I thought that was really cool, the way Rainbow Chefs has evolved to this online platform. So it's introducing students to some foods they may have never tried before, introducing them to the concept of, instead of going and getting fast food, if you have $6, $8, $5, you can actually make some pretty awesome meals that taste good and are healthy.